Well, you remember Monday night's snowstorm. It snarled traffic, stalled cars, stranded drivers. In fact, some just gave up. In fact, one spent a night at a hotel. But that couple says they were overcharged, and the hotel manager doesn't deny it. We're taking action to find out why this could all be legal. Monday night, the roads were icy, layered in snow. Traffic backed up for hours. Drivers abandoned their vehicles.
I've not seen conditions that bad in a long time, and I drove over the Rockies in the middle of winter.
Robert and Nicole DeVault weren't tempting fate. Instead of driving home to West Virginia, they got online and found a room in Moon Township. The Days Inn, $70 a night plus tax. They walked in without a reservation.
It's like, okay, that's fine, so long as the price is the same as on the web. And as soon as I said that, another gentleman looked over and said, no, we're not doing any web pricing tonight. Somebody else walked in behind me and said, how much is the price? And they said $90.
Plus tax, they say they were quoted a price closer to $100. The Days Inn general manager told me off camera he charged more because he could sell the room for more. And since the DeVaults didn't book online, he felt he didn't have to guarantee that rate.
Most hotels I've been to, they have somewhere either on the outside or on the inside advertising the price of the rooms. They didn't even have that.
But Days Inn was well within their rights. The Pittsburgh Better Business Bureau tells Channel 4 Action News, if you don't book online and the site does not state the room rate online is the same rate as the room rate in person, the hotel can charge a different rate in person than via the internet. Pennsylvania's Attorney General says rates can be controlled during states of emergency. Monday night was not. And the DeVaults, they stayed at a nearby Motel 6 for $60.
I said, all these people are in a bad situation, they can't get home. Why are you making me pay more for being stuck?
And this from Days Inn parent company, quote, just like with the airlines and to remain competitive within the marketplace, hotel rates may vary based on occupancy and availability. Rates will also vary by market. So this advice from the Better Business Bureau, always call to confirm the rate listed is the rate you will get when you book the room in person. Keep that in mind.